focusing on her because she's prettier than I am. I am tracking with the RS2. We're in the wild outdoors of my backyard. We have the beautiful model Carolyn over there. What's up, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. With this cinema lens, it's having a little bit of difficulty focusing. Canon R5C here, and then we have two Godox flashes, one there and one there. I'm not the best with lighting, but we have Carolyn right over here. She is modeling for us 100mm macro on here. And I think it really takes beautiful portraits. The Godox X3C offers you the ability to control all the flashes with this touchscreen right here. And I can turn up the exposure on the flashes and I can turn down the exposure. So this will be a +2 and this would be just using the TTL. This is a 00 here. Now you can always crop in on this a little bit, turn your legs sideways, otherwise you're... What I really like about the Godox flash is that if you want to pause it, you can pause it. And you can take a couple of photos actually without it, and then you just hit play again, and you're back using your flash. You can put it on high-speed sync, or you can put it on rear curtain or front curtain flash. Really, really easy to use with this intuitive touchscreen. Put your hand under your chin and look in that direction, just like you were. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, so I can show you if I do raise the exposure all the way on the flashes, we actually get outdoors. You really need at least a little bit extra flash. The best thing about having the wireless flash trigger is you don't have to worry where you are, where your subject is, freedom to move your camera. Basically what you want to do is underexpose it about a stop, and you want to hope that that flash will come in and fill in that light there. Carolyn always looks beautiful. I think I may have overcomplicated this a little bit. That's a nice one. Okay, a little bit lower. Godox X3C really takes flash photography to the next level. And at the price point of under $100, it's a really big steal in my opinion. And if you are using more than one flash, it's definitely going to be a good buy for you. If you're interested in purchasing any of my gear that I usually don't take outside unless I have to for an event or whatever, there'll be links for everything down below. Those are affiliate links, but they don't cost you anything. Thank you, Godox, for sending out this flash trigger for me to test. It makes taking photos of your subject a lot easier because you're not limited to having the flash on the camera, obviously. It makes things a lot better. Hopefully I can better set this up next time we do something like this. I'm not gonna beat myself up over it. I do it for you guys, so I'll see you guys later. Peace. Take a couple more photos of Carolyn. Yeah, that was what you should have been doing.
That's my good time.